Hi guys, I'm Clint from Morepork Barbecue, pitmaster. Barbecue is getting back to the old roots of cooking, where we use the traditional form of either charcoal or wood. Brisket, for example, we generally run about 12 hours. Good barbecue to us is having a small amount of smoke, not overly smoked. So for us, we use applewood for this reason, because it has a very mellow sort of flavor. With that, we're going to see a nice smoke ring on most of our meats. We will also look for a very nice deep bark, which is the caramelization of all the sugars on the outside. And then we're looking for it to be tender, but not so tender for your brisket that it just falls apart. We want it just to hold together, leaving a little bit of that fat and a little bit of that moisture inside. And the flavor you get from really good American style barbecue is you can't match it. You can't just throw a steak on the barbecue and expect to have that same flavor. It's the length of time it's actually sat on the barbecue that creates that flavor, and the mouthfeel, so it's tender. It's not fall apart, but it's tender. You bite into it and it just falls apart in your mouth while you're chewing on it. It has moisture still, it's not dry. Those are all the things we look for in good barbecue. People's reaction to our barbecue is pretty much always the same. Oh my God, I never knew I could eat meat that good. Absolutely, Meat Stock, we're there, 3rd year. Meat Stock is the premier barbecue festival in New Zealand for sure, 100% hands down. Really looking forward to it. Going to try and do something a little different this year. More of a sample sort of style box, along with we're going to cook a couple of whole hogs on site. One of our most anticipated events of the year for sure. We love doing this event. Yeah, hopefully we can win something in the competition as well. We're really looking forward to it.
Well done, man. That was a massive feat.